Tired of tossing and turning? Today, we're delving into the top 10 drinks that can whisk you away to dreamland faster than you can say lights out. Let's sip our way to some serious shut-eye. First up, herbal teas like chamomile and valerian root. These soothing brews calm your nervous system with natural sedatives, helping to reduce anxiety and prepare your mind and body for sleep. Next, the classic warm milk. It's not just for grandmas anymore. Tryptophan in milk helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, key players in regulating sleep cycles. It's like a cozy hug for your insides. Now, green smoothies. Packed with leafy greens like spinach and kale, these drinks are rich in magnesium. Magnesium helps relax muscles and nerves, promoting a deeper and more restful sleep. The turmeric latte, a golden elixir fit for a sleep-deprived king or queen. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties that can ease joint pain and relax the body for bedtime bliss. Golden milk, anyone? Turmeric, cinnamon, and warm milk. It's like a bedtime story in a cup. Cinnamon also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing nighttime wake-ups due to hunger. Cherry juice, tart or sweet, it's your ticket to snoozeville. Cherries naturally contain melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Sip away and let those cherry dreams take over. Passion flower tea, the Romeo and Juliet of sleep remedies. This floral delight has been used for centuries to reduce insomnia and anxiety, promoting a peaceful and uninterrupted sleep. Warm lemon water, it's like a spa day for your sleep cycle. Lemon's vitamin C supports your adrenal glands, helping to manage stress hormones and promote a calm state before bedtime. Tart cherry juice, for when you want your sleep aid with a little sass. The antioxidants in tart cherries also help reduce inflammation, supporting overall health and enhancing sleep quality. And last but not least, peppermint tea. More than just a tummy tamer, it's your ticket to minty fresh dreams. The menthol in peppermint has a relaxing effect on muscles, helping you unwind for a peaceful night. So there you have it, folks. 10 delicious ways to sip your way to better sleep. Which one will you try tonight? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more sleep tips and natural remedies.